In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Python on Windows 11. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your preferred web browser and head to the official Python website. The official site is the safest and most reliable place to get Python, so look for the address bar showing the python.org domain and the secure lock icon. If you get there through a search engine, double-check that the link points to the official site to avoid any third-party downloads. Once you're on the site, download the latest Windows installer. On the home page, you'll usually see a prominent button that says something like Download Python with the current version number. That's the one you want because it includes the most recent features and security updates. If you're on Windows 11, the standard 64-bit installer is typically the default. Click the Download button and your browser will begin saving an installer file and .exe, usually to your Downloads folder. Depending on your connection, this may take a moment. When the download finishes, run the installer. You can do that right from your browser's download shelf or by opening your Downloads folder and double-clicking the installer file. Windows may show a security or permission prompt asking if you want to allow the app to make changes. Choose Yes to continue. This is normal for software installations on Windows. Next, you'll see the Python setup window. Click Install Now and let the installer do the rest. Install Now applies the default recommended settings and puts Python in a standard location on your system. It also installs commonly used tools so you can start writing and running Python code right away. You don't need to change anything on this screen for a typical setup. After you click Install Now, you'll see a progress bar. Installation can take a few minutes, and it may pause occasionally while files are being copied and configured. If you have antivirus running, it could take a bit longer. That's okay. When the installer reports that the setup is successful, click Close to finish. That's it. Python is now installed on your Windows 11 machine. From here, you're ready to explore Python development in the way that suits you best, whether that's launching the built-in editor, using your favorite code editor, or running scripts from the command line. If you ever need to update Python in the future, you can repeat the same process from the official site to get the latest version. Thanks for watching, and enjoy coding with Python.